Tower, Cherokee 3564 Whiskey, hold Dakota 18 left, requesting set to go.
Cherokee 3564 Whiskey, Denton Tower, inspect right traffic.
Inspect right traffic, 3564 Whiskey.
Cherokee 3564 Whiskey, verify your number 1 hold short.
Yep, number 1 on Alpha 1, 18 left, 3564.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, runway 18 left, shorten, cleared for takeoff.
Shorten, cleared for takeoff, 3564 Whiskey.
Tower, Cap 4268, number 1 at 18 left, Alpha 1, ready for departure westbound.
Cap 4268, Denton Tower, hold short 18 left, shorten.
Hold short 18 left, 4268.
Cap 4268 on departure, fly runway heading, runway 18 left, shorten, clear for takeoff.
18 left, clear for takeoff, and runway heading 4268.
64 Whiskey, change runway 18 right.
Change runways 18 right, 3564 Whiskey.
Cap 4268, you can start your westbound, turn now.
4268, turning westbound.
Denton Tower, Cherokee 3564 Whiskey, are we cleared for 18 right?
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, runway 18 right, cleared, touch and go.
18 right, cleared, touch and go, 64 Whiskey. Denton Tower, 64 Whiskey, I'm experiencing engine failure, I'm heading right back now.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, runway 18 right or 18 left, clear to land, winds variable at 6, altimeter 2996.
Good morning, Denton ground, Skyline 21110 is at Lima, requested taxi to Foxtrot.
Aircraft calling for taxi, stand by.
Tower 64 Whiskey, landed safely just on the north side of the runways in the field, 64 Whiskey.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, Denton Tower, can you hear?
Yeah, I can hear 64 Whiskey.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, do you need an ambulance? I've just called emergency vehicles, they're on their way, and she was asking information.
No emergency, safe sound, I'm setting down now for Whiskey.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, are you in the trees or are you on a road?
I'm not in the trees, I'm in the field. I'm just on the north side of the trees, on the north side of 18 right.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, I'm sorry, I had two people talking to me. Say again, please.
I am not in the trees, I am in a field safely. On the north side of the tree line, probably northwest of the field.
And Cherokee 64 Whiskey, are you north or south of Highway 380? Are you familiar, and how many souls on board?
One soul on board, south of 380, forward.
I'm sorry, sir, you're garbled. Say it again, please.
64 Whiskey, I'll call you on a handheld and maybe better.
64 Whiskey is south of 380 in the field, one soul on board.
Cherokee 64 Whiskey, Roger, thank you.
Ground off one.
Say again.
Ground off one, because that's an aircraft using the precise location.
Ops 1, call me on the outside line, please.
It's busy.
Ops 1, the aircraft has just reported he was on final, or a base to final for 18 right. He reported in a field just north of the runway south of Highway 380.
Roger.